Motorcycle brands. They have powered everything from legendary cross-country journeys to weekend canyon carvers that will put a grin on your face. But not every brand deserves your hard-earned money. Some are mechanical masterpieces built to last decades, while others will have you draining your wallet faster than you can say roadside assistance. In this video, we are breaking down the 6 worst and 7 best motorcycle brands to own. Can-Am sits at the bottom with a 42% failure rate according to Consumer Reports. That is nearly double the industry average. Riders Share rental data shows that Can-Am requires tows at significantly higher rates than any major brand. The 3-wheel Spider is loaded with electronic nannies and complex systems that break often. Electrical gremlins, overheating issues, and transmission problems plague these machines. One Rider Share customer had a Can-Am die mid-trip, stranding him miles from help. Can-Am later issued a recall for that exact problem. The bikes look futuristic and ride stable, but reliability is abysmal. Unless you have deep pockets for constant repairs, steer clear of Can-Am. BMW Motorrad comes in with a 40% failure rate according to 2015 Consumer Reports data. Electrical problems, fuel pump failures, and delicate components plague these machines. The complexity that makes BMW motorcycles sophisticated also makes them fragile. Every sensor, rider aid, and electronic system is another potential failure point. Repair costs average nearly $500 per visit. Parts are expensive, and shops specializing in BMW are rare outside major cities. That said, BMW has improved significantly since 2015. Recent models are more reliable, but earlier bikes earned this reputation honestly. The Boxer engines are tough, but everything bolted to them breaks. If you buy BMW, budget heavily for maintenance and pray nothing electronic fails. Ducati scores a 33% failure rate in Consumer Reports data. These Italian superbikes prioritize performance and aesthetics over reliability. Owners report expanded fuel tanks, rectifier problems, oil leaks, and electrical issues across forms. The Desmo valve service is complex and expensive, requiring specialized tools and knowledge. Service intervals are tight, and costs regularly run over $1,000. After-sales service is hit or miss, depending on your dealer. Despite these issues, Ducati remains highly desirable among enthusiasts who accept the trade-offs. The bikes are gorgeous, fast, and thrilling. Just know you are buying a high-maintenance relationship that demands constant attention and money. Skip Ducati unless you are prepared for expensive passion. Aprilia makes some of the most exotic-looking motorcycles on Earth, but reliability is not their strength. Forums overflow with complaints about expanding gas tanks, rectifier failures, oil leaks, corrosion, and electrical gremlins. The brand prioritizes aesthetics and performance over dependability. Models like the RSV4RR are tuned for racing, creating extreme heat and stress that prematurely ages components. You will need frequent repairs and part replacements. Aprilia has improved in recent years with better quality control, but earlier models earned terrible reputations. Maintenance costs run high, and finding qualified techs can be difficult. The bikes perform brilliantly when running, but keeping them running requires dedication. Unless you love wrenching or have money burning holes in your pockets, avoid Aprilia. Riders Share rental data shows Royal Enfield tow rate is nearly 4 times the average. Despite having mostly new model years from 2017 onward, these bikes break down constantly. The retro styling attracts riders seeking classic aesthetics, but the engineering underneath cannot match the looks. Electrical issues, oil leaks, and mechanical failures plague these machines. The simple air-cooled engines should be bulletproof, but quality control is inconsistent. Some bikes run fine, while others are garage queens needing constant attention. Parts availability varies, and dealer networks are limited outside major markets. Royal Enfield improved recently, but the data shows they are still unreliable compared to Japanese brands. Skip the nostalgia unless you enjoy pushing bikes. KTM builds exciting motorcycles with cutting-edge technology, but reliability suffers. The Duke 790 had widespread coolant and oil leaks on early models, causing overheating and engine failures within months of purchase. These issues affected 2018 and 2019 models heavily. KTM pushes engineering boundaries, cramming advanced tech into aggressive performance packages. That innovation comes at reliability's expense. Electrical issues, overheating problems, and premature component wear are common. Service costs run high, and intervals are short on performance models. The bikes thrill when working properly, but keeping them running requires dedication. KTM improved recently, but their track record shows prioritizing performance over longevity. Budget heavily for maintenance if you buy a KTM. Great bikes for experienced riders accepting the trade-offs. Kawasaki ranks 4th among Japanese brands with a 15% failure rate. That is still excellent compared to European and American makers. Kawasaki motorcycles pack advanced technology and premium components at accessible prices. They push engineering boundaries while maintaining reliability. The Ninja Series, Z models, and Versys lineup all deliver strong performance with minimal drama. Service costs run slightly higher than Honda or Yamaha due to more complex tech. Forums show owners routinely hitting 100,000 miles with proper maintenance. The engines are tough and transmissions smooth. Kawasaki improved significantly in recent years, reducing failure rates considerably. They are the least reliable of the big four Japanese brands, but that is splitting hairs. A solid choice for riders wanting performance without constant breakdowns. Suzuki ties Honda with a 12% failure rate according to Consumer Reports. That is impressive, considering Suzuki focuses heavily on high-performance sport bikes that get ridden hard. The GSX-R series, Hayabusa, V-Strom, and SV650 all demonstrate Suzuki's engineering prowess. These bikes are over-engineered in the best way possible. Strong internals, robust transmissions, and bulletproof engines characterize the brand. Forums show Suzuki owners hitting 150,000 miles regularly with basic maintenance. Parts are affordable and widely available, and the engines handle abuse better than most competitors. Suzuki motorcycles are not flashy, but they are mechanical workhorses built to last. Maintenance costs stay low, and reliability stays high. A perfect choice for riders prioritizing dependability over badge prestige. Honda ties with Suzuki at 12% failure rate, but Honda's dependability runs deeper. They are the largest motorcycle manufacturer globally, producing nearly 20 million units in 2024. The brand excels at every segment, from the legendary Super Cub to the Goldwing Tourer. Honda motorcycles are known for requiring minimal maintenance while lasting indefinitely. Forums overflow with stories of neglected Hondas still running strong past 150,000 miles. The engines are bulletproof, transmissions smooth, and electrical systems reliable. Parts are cheap and available everywhere. Any mechanic can work on Hondas. The brand is not exciting, and that is the point. They build practical, dependable motorcycles that just work. It is a perfect choice for riders prioritizing reliability and low ownership costs. Yamaha ranks as the most reliable motorcycle brand, with an 11% failure rate according to Consumer Reports. The brand focuses exclusively on two-wheelers, bringing specialized expertise to every model. The R-Series sport bikes, MT naked bikes, and Tenere adventure machines all demonstrate Yamaha's engineering mastery. These bikes combine performance with exceptional reliability. The CP2 parallel twin, found in MT-07, and Tenere 700 is legendary for durability. Owners routinely surpass 100,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Yamaha's crossplane crankshaft technology in the R1 delivers MotoGP performance with street reliability. Parts are affordable and widely available, and service costs stay reasonable. Forums show minimal complaints compared to other brands. Yamaha earned top reliability rankings through consistent quality across all segments. Triumph transformed from unreliable oil leakers in the 90s to one of today's most dependable brands. Modern Triumphs combine classic British styling with Japanese-level reliability. The Street Triple, Speed Triple, and Tiger Series all demonstrate this evolution. Owners report minimal issues even at high mileage. The parallel twin and triple engines are smooth, powerful, and durable. Build quality improved dramatically in recent decades. Triumph now offers competitive service intervals and reasonable maintenance costs. The bikes deliver character that Japanese brands sometimes lack, while matching their reliability. Forums show Triumph owners satisfied with long-term ownership. Parts availability has improved globally. The brand successfully merged heritage with modern engineering. Perfect choice for riders wanting personality without constant repairs. Victory motorcycles earned a 17% failure rate, making them more reliable than Harley-Davidson despite being American-made. 80% of Victory owners said they would buy the same bike again. These cruisers delivered Harley-style performance without Harley problems. The bikes featured solid V-twin engines, quality components, and better build quality than many competitors. Owners preferred Victory's durability over Harley's reputation. Unfortunately, parent company Polaris discontinued Victory in 2017, despite strong reliability records. Used Victory motorcycles remain excellent values for riders seeking American cruisers without constant maintenance. Parts availability has declined since discontinuation, but remains adequate. The engines are tough and the transmissions are smooth. Victory proved American manufacturers could build reliable motorcycles. Discontinued does not mean unreliable. Moto Guzzi breaks Italian motorcycle stereotypes with exceptional reliability. The brand's transverse V-twin engines are air-cooled, simple, and nearly indestructible. The V7 and V85 TT models deliver Italian style with Japanese dependability. Owners report minimal issues past 100,000 miles on V7 engines. The 90-degree air-cooled design provides excellent cooling and smooth power delivery. Moto Guzzi combines classic design principles with modern technology. The bikes offer character, soul, and dependability rarely found in Italian motorcycles. Build quality is excellent and components are durable. Parts availability is good through specialty dealers. Service intervals are reasonable and maintenance is straightforward. Moto Guzzi proves Italian manufacturers can build reliable machines when prioritizing engineering over flash. It is a perfect choice for riders wanting character with dependability. If you love riding, be sure to subscribe for more useful content.